The roasting technique is a great trick to make adults and kids very happy to eat vegetables. Hi, my name is Marianne, I'm a French cook and I'm here to share my best recipes. Today we're making roasted mushroom, broccoli and red onions. Let's start. So first, the ingredients. Very simply, you'll just need mushroom, broccoli, 1 red onion, salt, pepper and olive oil. First thing we're going to do is clean those mushrooms. If you have fresh mushrooms, which these are, you see that this part is completely closed. So this is very practical because it makes it easy to clean. The only thing you have to do is cut this extremity and then we're gonna put them in a colander and rinse them very quickly. It won't absorb too much water. If this part is open and you can see the brown part, then you can't do that. Otherwise it's going to absorb all the water and you have mushy mushrooms. So if you do have brown part here, you'll need to peel them. And then transfer the mushrooms on a clean cloth. And we're just going to rub them gently. This is how I cut a broccoli. I put it upside down and I cut following the stem. We're gonna keep this, it is very good. It's as good as the florets. Now I'm cutting in bite-sized pieces. For the stem, I just remove this extremity. And then I cut 4 pieces to remove the thicker part. The part that has the most fibers. I just cut it in slices. Now we're going to cut the red onion in thin quarters. What I always do is to cut the onion or the garlic or the shallot in half with the skin on because it makes it much easier to peel. I'm cutting the red onion in quarters, so first I remove this part. So now I'm going to cut the onion. This is what I want. So now the fun part. You just put all the vegetables. The only important thing to know when you're roasting vegetables is that you don't want your vegetables to be crowded in the pan. They need to have enough room. If they don't, you should actually use 2 pans. Otherwise, they won't roast properly. Now I'm adding the oil. The salt. I find it easier to spread the salt when it's in your fingers. And pepper. And then you mix. You can use a spatula or your hands, whatever feels more comfortable. The vegetables are ready. They are nice golden, soft. Here you go. Delicious roasted vegetables. I would love to hear from you. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if the recipe worked for you. But for now, I say thank you so much for watching and I hope you have a nice day.